Hi guys, well, we're just about to tell you about another adventure we went on to. We left the Snowy Island Man to go on a caravan adventure in North Wales. And needless to say, it turned out into a mission. Please join us to find out what we got up to, where we went, how long it took, and any hassle we had whilst doing it, and any fun we had whilst we was doing it. Looking forward to letting you know all about it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Good morning, folks. This is round 2 of me pressing the button to record.
The wrong button.
Because I pressed the wrong button to start off with.
You took a photograph.
Yeah.
Put your glasses on, Dom.
I know.
Have you got your glasses?
Yes, they're in my bag.
Thank God for that.
Well, I know. Well, I don't really
Yeah,
need...
but Baxy's everything.
Right. Well, I'm sat at the back as usual.
With the cargo.
With the cargo, yeah. Piled high. Poor dogs are in the back somewhere. I don't
They've
know.
got more space than anybody else.
Yeah, the dogs have got more space than anybody else, but that's usual for them. Got a nice big fluffy bed and some treats for when we go into the... Oh gosh, something's bailed already.
That ball dropped from behind me.
No, it was something... Oh, it's a dog's water bowl.
Oh, it's okay.
So it's a miserable day. Rainy, grey,
Horrible.
horrible. God help us on that ferry. Or more likely, God help me, because I'm absolutely hopeless. But we shall see when we get on the ferry.
Oh, no.
What does it say?
Closed.
The mountain road's closed.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right, I will be driving like a dickhead now, so...
alright, well you heard it. Sorry for a bit bouncy. Speak to you later.
Upstairs, I think.
No, I hope not. I don't like going upstairs. Hi folks, well, we've just had the crossing from hell.
It wasn't all the way, it was only halfway.
I don't know, I felt ill all the way.
I told you.
I'm afraid.
I looked at me watch at 10:15 and it had gone calm. And I said, well, the captain was bang on. He said about an hour and a half. It was rough and it couldn't calm down.
It was rough, it was a force 8 gale. And I'm not kidding. Yes, I was
There was
poorly.
1 or 2 sleeping policemen in the road and even a police station.
Yeah, honestly, really bad. Don't want to repeat it again in a rush anyway. So we're sitting here now, everybody's getting
should have filmed
ready
it for
to... Everybody's getting ready to get in the cars and things.
And bail.
And bail. Yeah, definitely bail. Don't think anybody wants to hang around with this.
Disembarkation.
So we'll keep you posted. Definite smell of wet doggies in here because
We park up round the back of the...
we've been in the back.
Yeah.
They always stay in the car when we go
Smells
because
there.
they're safe in the car and they feel comfortable in the car. They've got their own bed in the car and they've got water and they can move around a bit. So they always stay in the car. But Willa gets a bit sicky as well. So right, so we'll see you when we get to terra firma, that lovely thing, floor. See you soon. I have never been so pleased to see terra firma in my life. Solid concrete. Hello.
What's he fighting with him for? Let him in front of you. He's staying
know.
packet. What
Yeah,
a silly person.
Yeah.
total plonker.
What an idiot. Unbelievable.
Guys, look, they're queuing up already.
Oh, if they knew what they were heading for, they'd be all going home.
People might come from the south and they want to make sure they get here on time. So if you laugh at the fact the motorways know your road works on it, you've got to get there early.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've definitely decided that when I come back in my next life, I'm not going to be a sailor.
We've got a warning light. Fill diesel exhaust fluid tank.
Say again?
Fill diesel exhaust fluid tank. I've never had that before. I don't know what that means.
No, I don't know what that means. Fill diesel exhaust fluid tank.
Yeah.
Oops.
Keep it a little bit.
Well, as you can see, the weather is spectacular. Not. We're heading towards Chester. White Earth Chester. It's miserable. We'll keep you posted. Finally stopped raining, thank God. Mike saying hello. Still got a good 3/4 of an hour's drive, but at least it's not raining. Hi guys,
Hi guys, we've got a very dirty caravan behind us.
we have
5 months in storage and it is minging.
and no means of cleaning it.
And it was indoors.
I know,
But
God
it's
help
an
it.
old barn.
Yeah.
An old farm.
So not very clean at all.
In
But-
fact, they'd probably clean it and been left outside.
Yeah, it would have been because it got washed down with the rain. But anyway, there's not much we can do about it at this moment in time. Caravan's going for a service. It's now what day is it today?
Monday the 13th.
Monday the 13th. We've got the caravan booked in for a service on the 15th. So 2 days of dirtiness, and then I'm going to see, I don't know if they do it or not, but I'm going to ask if where we're having it serviced, if they could clean it, because I don't know anybody else who can clean it. And it's so difficult when you live across on the Isle of Man. We didn't honestly think this through very well, to be honest. At times I think, why the hell? But yeah, it's hard work trying to remember what you've got in the caravan, what you haven't got in the caravan, what you've got to bring with you, what did you take home last time to wash.
Making sure you have batteries and motor mover.
Yeah, make sure you've got everything sorted out. And even if you think silly things like when you're at home, God, did we drain the water out? It's a chore because you have to have the kids come to check it then. And it's just, everything's,
Just putting the keys in the post to the kids.
yeah, it is exactly that. It's a bit of a job.
There's a stream. Surprised these not
Squawking, yeah. It's been a long day for the doggos again, but it's always a long day when we're coming away
Long
for the
day for
caravan.
everybody, mate.
Yeah.
Not just the doggos.
I know, got itchy eyes, sorry folks. So we thought we'd love you and leave you for now, and we'll let you know when we get to where we're going.
Catch up.
And we'll
There's a lot of
speak
water in
soon.
Little rivers anyway.
Speak to you soon. Hi guys.
Hello, or good evening. Welcome to a rainy caravan in Lake Mere Caravan Touring Park in Cheshire. It's wet out. It's wet in now as well.
Billy's got his towel on. Willow's got her towel on. We've just been outside for
Mummy's
a
got
little
changed.
totes. I've got changed.
Daddy's going to go back out to get the takeaway.
Yeah, we have. It's now 8:20 and we've been on the go since. What time did we get up this morning? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock this morning. So we're a little bit tired, but we actually went through a stage this afternoon of whether we blooming want this caravan anymore. We arrived at the storage place. It was filthy. It still is.
Indoor storage doesn't
Yeah,
work.
indoor storage does not keep it clean. It was really, really dirty. So by the time we'd actually got off the ferry, drove down to drop my mum off at my sister's, then go and pick the caravan up, then come down to the place where we're staying, which is the Blakemere Hall Caravan Park, it was late. It was gone 5 o'clock, 5:30, and it's not stopped raining all day. It's been miserable. So trying to put the caravan up when we haven't used it in about 5 months, is it? So we didn't know what was in here, what wasn't in here. We had to flush the water through. I tell you, so we got to the stage where it was, oh my God, is this really worth it? When you live down the road from where your caravan is stored, it's so much easier. Or where, if your caravan's outside your own front door, it's so much easier. But we have to bring all the bedding, try and remember what we've got in here, and it's just a pain. It's just a pain. You can't even bring food to try and prepare for that night, knowing that you're going to get here late, because by the time you got off the ferry and drove down to anywhere, it's always going to be about 5 or 6 o'clock at night time. So we were a bit peeved, but I won't say we've had a drink. We're far from it. We've had some orange juice and a hot chocolate. That's all I've had. Mike's had orange juice and a coffee.
Yeah.
A Costa coffee. So now we're going to sit. We've got a Chinese coming. So we're going to sit, have something to eat, have a beer, and just relax because we're shattered. So for today's vlog, I'm going to have to say that's it. Thanks very much for joining us, and we hope to see you again soon. It's been great to see you. Bye.